The first step in constructing the patio roof riser post mount post is to determine the pitch or angle of your roof. We are using a simple analog angle finder to do this, though various other methods exist. Now that we know the angle of our roof, we can cut our 4x4 to size. Start by making the angled cut. This is going to be the same angle we just measured on the roof. From the long point of this cut, measure 16 inches and mark the location. 16 inches is a typical patio roof riser post-mount post height. This can be increased to accommodate any site-specific variables you may have. Make a 90-degree cut. From the long point of the mitered cut, measure 8 inches and mark the location. If the angle of your roof is greater than a 10-12 pitch, or 38 degrees, this measurement will be 9 inches. Using the post-mount knife blade as a template, align the top with the 8-inch mark on the post. Mark the holes. Repeat this process on the other side of the post. It is also helpful to mark the center of the post. Ensure that the template is aligned evenly and straight. Using a 9/16 drill bit, drill the holes. To achieve straight holes, drill halfway through the first side. Flip the post over and complete the holes. Now we are ready to make the 1/4-inch dado cut. Start by marking this cut on the angled end of the post. The easiest way to make this mark is to mark the center of the post and then mark an 1/8 inch on both sides. Transform these marks into lines. On a standard 10-inch table saw, make a perpendicular line at the center of the blade. Adjust the blade height to a cutting depth of 2 7/8 inch. Adjust the saw to allow for the blade to cut on the inside of the dado cut lines we made. Push the post through the table saw until the 8-inch mark on the post aligns with the center mark on the table saw. Adjust the saw to cut the other half of the dado. Remember to stop when the two lines meet. If a thin piece remains in the dado, adjust the saw to finish clearing out the cut. Test fit the patio roof riser knife blade to ensure it fits properly. It should slide in with minimal effort, but not be loose. Make slight adjustments if necessary for a proper fit. To preserve the wood and enhance the appearance of the finished product, we recommend applying a high-quality exterior-grade stain or sealer. Using a rag with stain and a standard screwdriver, make sure to protect the inside of the dado cut. Ready for assembly. With the knife blade, the 1/2 inch by 4.5 inch through bolts, and the bridge washers, assemble the post. Now we are ready to install our patio roof riser post mount posts to their bases on the roof.